Asuntoskeyti Espoon Puntari.
Yes, this is also very nice today. Okay, it's the top floor.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. It's on Puntaritie 3, also the name is Swedish lecture.
Yeah. Didn't do the sand 3.
Yes. 2020 is all this year, 2023, gonna be expected to next year, 2024. The zero is 1702, that's the only staircase here.
Yeah.
And the capacity is 8 persons or 630 grams. So in Matinkylä, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo, Schindler, Finland. These instructions are original.
Yeah.
And there's the Schindler logo by the door now.
Mm.
Zero, there's no zero. So the first floor is the lowest one.
Yeah.
I don't know if somebody's coming.
Yeah, same.
No.
Inspektionsbike wise, maintained by AutoZone describe this.
Could have made a glazed one here, maybe.
Yeah.
You can close the door here.